Hello, this is Arthur again, and today I have this 2001 Mercedes CLK430 Sport Package. I already did the repairs on it. In this video I'm not going to show you any repairs, but I'm just going to go over what I did, and I'm going to show you the car all around because it is pretty amazing, at least for the mileage. This car has one owner since new, and he is super meticulous. He took care of it. He repairs. Whenever something comes up, he repairs it, obviously, that it lasted this long. This car has 475,000 miles on it, over 475,000 miles on it. And it is actually in amazing shape. Like, if I've seen a lot of other 210, 208 models with like 150,000 miles, and they are in far worse shape than this car is. This car, I'm gonna show you under the hood, and show you under the car, then I'll take it outside where it's better light, and I'll show you around the car and interior as well. All right, let's take a look. Okay, let's take a quick look under the hood. This car has original engine and original transmission, and it sounds really good. It doesn't smoke, and it runs fine. It just had regular service, it had valve covers done, it had rear main seal done, it had other repairs done, like leak-wise, but that's about it. Really solid engine. Now let's take a look at under the car. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom of this CLK. I have replaced a lot of stuff this time on this car. I've replaced the shocks, spring pads, as they were pretty worn, as well as this steering dampener. I replaced the output seal on a transmission as it was leaking, as well as differential drive shaft center support bearing and support. It was completely torn. It was making a lot of noise. It was moving around. The diff was coated in oil all over the place, and it was leaking from the front seal, from the side seals. I removed the diff, resealed everything, put it back. The drive shafts, the CV axles on the back, both were severely worn, as well as boots were torn for many years. So the owner actually supplied the used axles, and I had them rebuilt to make sure they are up to spec. Put those in, as well as the rear shocks replaced as well, and the spring pads. Let me see what else over here. I also did an oil change. Plenty to do on this car. All right, let me show you the outside of it. Okay, let's take a look at the car. The car has just been washed. I mean, it is a 24-year-old car, and it does have some blemishes on it, especially with this mileage. But overall, I think it's very presentable. Wheels look pretty good, not like majorly scratched or anything. One other big upgrade I would say we did to this car. It does have a lot of chips on the hood. This is where you can see one real wear on the car, showing the mileage. Basically, it's all these rock chips, but I don't think it's the end of the world. The seller provided seats from a 2002 CLK55 AMG with 60,000 miles. He was able to source some in excellent condition. I did have to remove the pneumatic part over there, as it is not functional on this model, at least on this package. The rear seats as well. We also replaced the rear package tray with the sunshade, as the old sunshade wasn't working, this one is working. He had replaced the door panels prior bringing the car. I also replaced the steering wheel. It did have a 55 steering wheel on it already, but it was a little bit worn. This one is in much better condition. So you can see the mileage, 475,657 miles. The wood looks to be in excellent condition. AC works, navigation system works, I believe. The radio works at least. The only thing that I would do, I suggested to the owner as well, is a new headliner, as it's sagging a little bit in the back, but it's not really that bad yet. Overall, the car is in very good condition. I like it. It's a very nice car. It's pretty I like the way these older CLKs look. They're more masculine looking than the one followed, not counting the Black Series, of course, but this one has kind of a stronger looking body than the following one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short video looking at this really cool Mercedes. Please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come.